Once you've installed the Screencastify extension, the last step is to connect it to your Google Drive. To get started, click on the Screencastify extension and choose to sign in with Google. Choose your Google account and allow access to your Google Drive files and folders so we can add your Screencastify videos to your Google Drive. Choose that you agree with our terms and privacy policy, and you can choose to have us send occasional emails about new features and updates. Then click Next. Choose whether you are a student, teacher, administrator, business professional, or none of the above, and highlight which grade levels you teach. If you teach multiple, choose all that apply. Now choose whether or not you are 13 or older or under 13. In order to get the tool ready, please grant access to your webcam and microphone and choose Allow from the pop-up. And to embed our annotation tools onto the sites that you visit, click Enable Tools. Choose Allow from the pop-up. And lastly, you can choose whether or not you would like to be taken on a tour. If you click Show Me Around, we'll walk you through how to open the extension in the future, how to pin it to your toolbar, how to set up and start your recordings, how to use our recording tools on the websites that you visit, and how to end any of your recordings. Once you're done, click Done. Now, you are looking at your My Recording section. Since you haven't recorded any videos yet, nothing appears here, but as soon as you get started by clicking on the extension and choosing a type of video to record, they will all appear in this section.